Hi everyone, I am Munira and I am back with another tutorial. Today I will be teaching you my choreography on Lut Gaye. This is a very requested tutorial, so I really hope you enjoy dancing to this. So as always, I will be flipping the video. So this is my right and this is my left. So you can follow it along like a mirror. And there will be turns, so when I tell you to turn over your right shoulder will go back and you will make a clockwise turn. And when I tell you to turn over your left shoulder will go back and you will make an anti-clockwise turn. And yeah, this is a recorded tutorial, so you can take your time, pause, go back and learn it at your own pace. So I'll just take you through the steps really carefully. And yeah, let's start. Okay, so the choreography begins with the music that goes na 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 1 2. So in that you will either walk towards the camera or just move on the spot. So you will go na 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 na, left right. Okay, this is where we start. So after left right, the music is na 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 na. So in this, first the hands. Your hands will go out, in, then left will go back and right will go down, then back, then left will go down, right will go back, front, then right will go out, in, and then right out, left out. Okay, so these are the steps. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, with this the legs will be left out, left in, right out. Then we will take a turn over our left shoulder. So we will turn, then 1 2. Okay, so together this will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. And when this comes in, you will turn, then 1 2. From here, it's the same music again. So the hands first. You will go 1 circle, then out, in. Then your hands will go right, left, right. Then your left hand will go circle. Then your hands will go right up, right out, left up, left out, out, in, back, front, turn, turn. So now let's do the legs with this part. So first you will do a little jump and you do this. You will go jump, then out, in, no movement of the legs. Then when you do 1 2 3, your right leg will open and your waist will go right, left, right. So you will go 1 2 3. Then from here your left hand will do a turn and you will turn over your left shoulder. And you will turn and now your back will face the camera for the next steps. So with your back facing the camera, you will do right up, right out, and even in this your leg will go right, like your waist, basically your right leg will go out and your waist will follow your hand. So up, side, okay? So you will do right, right, left, left, out, in, back, front, and then when you do the circle, you will take another half turn over your left shoulder and you will come back facing the camera. So this will go from the starting or from here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Turn, turn. Okay, so let's just finish this music part. So after the turn, your hands will go right, left, then in and out, and then flick. Okay, and your legs will be going right, left, right, left, right, left, then left in front, and then your waist will hit. So you will go slightly back. So you will do na 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 hit. Okay. So put together all of this, the first music part. This will go. So from starting, na 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 1 2, na 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 na. Na 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 hit. I think I turned over my right shoulder in the video. I think I said left before, but we are turning over the right shoulder. So after this, so this, and then you turn over your right shoulder. Okay. So this is the first part. This is the music part in the beginning, And now we can move on to the lyrics. So now we'll start with the lyrics. And also I'm sorry if there's a lot of noise in the background because it's raining outside. So I can't do anything about it. So I'll just speak loudly. Okay, so let's go by lines now. So we will start with मैंने जब देखा था तुझको रात भी वो याद है मुझको. So in this part you will go, your hands will go left circle, right circle, hit towards the camera, come back, then you will make a circle and you will stop by your face and there will be a hit. Then from here your left hand will go make a circle, then your right hand will go up and hit, then your right hand will make a circle and you will hit with your elbow, right elbow. Okay, this is the hands. Okay, so the legs to go with this will be first left, right, then left will come forward, then you will take it back, you will move your hands and then you will hit with your waist towards the left. Okay, from here when you do this, your left leg will open and go back. Then when you hit with your right hand, the right leg will also go out. Then when you circle, your whole body will sort of turn towards the left a little bit with the hand movement and then you will hit with your right wrist. Okay, so this goes मैंने जब देखा था तुझको hit रात भी वो याद है मुझको. From here the lines are तारे गिनते गिनते सो गया and then music. So your hands for this will be left circle, left out, left in, both hands out, up, then you will do circle, hit, circle, hit. So you will sort of flick outside, okay? So with this the legs will be, so you ended up here, then your left leg will open, you will hit, then when this comes in, you will take a turn over your right shoulder. So you will go turn up, then your waist will sort of move with your hands. So you go one, hit, two, hit. So your left waist will circle, right will hit, left will circle, right will hit. Okay? So all put together, this is from the starting of the lyrics. This will be मैंने जब देखा था तुझको रात भी वो याद है मुझको तारे गिनते गिनते सो गया hit. Okay? This is the first part of the lyrics done. So after this the lyrics are दिल मेरा धड़का था कस के कुछ कहा था तूने हंस के. So we will go like our hands will go one, so you will circle, then your left is up, you will do 1, 2, then your hands will go 1, 2, up down. Then from here your right hand will go towards the camera and your left, like from under your left hand, and your left hand will cross over your head. Okay, so you will go 1, then your right hand will come back. Okay, you will come back, then your hands will go towards the face and then outside. Okay, let's just continue till the end of these lines. From here your hands will go up, up, then right towards the camera, left towards the camera, left up, left down, and then a circle with the left. That's it. Okay, so the hands are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, these are the hands. Now let's go over it with the legs. So when you do this, you will sort of jump, and so you were here, right? Like we were 1, 2. Then we will sort of jump and our left will open. We will go jump, up, out, sorry, out, in. Then we will go left, out. So left, out, left, back. This will be 1, 2. Okay? Then when our right hand goes out, we will again bring our left leg out. We will go 1. Then we will use this position to, like we will take our hand back and we will turn over our right shoulder. So you will turn. And after the turn, your right leg will be forward. And then your right leg will 1, 2. You do 1, 2. Okay? From here, again, your body will just go 1, 2. While your hands go up, up. Then, when your right hand goes towards the camera, you will move back with your left leg. So you will go 1. Then again, the opposite side, 2. Now your left leg will be forward. So when we do 1, 2, we will hit. We will go 1, 2. Okay. Then we will take a turn over our left shoulder and we will turn. And then we will there will be 2 beats, so you will go 1, 2. Okay. So on the lyrics, this whole part is दिल मेरा धड़का था कस के, कुछ कहा था तूने हंस के, मैं उसी पर तेरा हो गया, turn, hit. Okay. So now we only have one part left before the chorus. Now we are at the lines. आसमानों पे जो खुदा है उससे मेरी यही दुआ है, चांद दिए हर रोज मैं देखूं तेरे साथ में. So first your hands. We will be starting this with our back towards the camera, but I'll show you the steps first, like towards the front. Your hands will go right up, left up, circle down, both up, down. From here, you will make a circle, come to the center, go out. Then we will take a turn and our hands will go with us, so that they will be out. Then they will come in and go to the front. Okay. From here, your hands will go right up. Then your left will make a circle like above. Then your right will make a circle forward, and then both your hands will go out. Okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn out. 1, 2, 3. Open. Okay. So this will be. Let me tell you the legs first, and then we'll go on the lyrics. So with this, your waist will go with the hands right, left. And when you do this, you will take a turn over your left shoulder. So we are starting with the back towards the camera. So we will go right, left, turn. Okay. Then from here, our right leg will open and then go down. Okay. We will open our right leg, go down towards the right, and we will do 1, 2. From here, your hands will do a circle and out. So your right leg will open. You will do so. After this, you will go circle out. Then you will take a turn over your left shoulder, and when we turn, we will come back with our left leg open. Okay. So you will go 1, 2, turn out. Okay. Your hands will go out. From here, the first step, your legs will not change. So you will go 1. Your leg will be the same. Then your legs will change left, right. Okay. When you do this, then they will come back when you do this with your right hand, and then they will again not change when you do this. Okay. So on the lyrics, all of this put together will be with your right hand starting. You go आसमानों पे जो खुदा है उससे मेरी यही दुआ है, चांद ये हर रोज मैं देखूं. Then from here, you will take 2 turns over your right shoulder with your left hand towards the camera. So you will go तेरे साथ, and then there's a leg movement. Your hands will go right, left, 3. When you do 3, your right leg will go back, so that your left leg is forward for the next step, which we will start in the chorus. Okay. So we will enter the chorus with चांद ये हर रोज मैं देखूं, turn, turn, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we will start the chorus. We're so close. We are at the chorus, so let's get started with that. Once you do 1, 2 here, then your hand will open. So your right will go up or your left will go up. It's not an issue. Whatever goes up, then it will come down and you will cross. Okay, so it will cross in front of your face. Then you will circle and hold your hand. Go down. Then your hands will go left, right. Then you will do out, in, back, front. Okay. So this will go 1, 2, आँख उठी मोहब्बत ने अंगड़ाई, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the legs till this point will be when you did 1, 2, 3. So your left leg is forward. So you will open up. We'll do 1, 2. Okay. From here, when you do this, your left leg will come back. Okay. So you will go back, down. Then you will go left, right with your hands. So you will go left, right. Then your left leg will open and come back. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. From here, your hands will go 1, 2, 3, 4. Your right will go 1, 2, back, and both will go up, down. Okay? So the legs for this will go left out, left back, left out, left towards the front. Then when we do this, our right will go out, back in, out. Then when you make a circle, your leg will lift, so you're sort of hitting it. Okay? So you will go 1, 2, hit. Then we will go up, so you will sort of jump, and our right leg will go back. So you will go jump, back, and we are all on left leg again. Okay, the left leg is forward again. Let's try this part on the lyrics once, and we can move forward. Here we go. 1, 2, उठी मोहब्बत ने अंगड़ाई ली दिल का सौदा हुआ चांदनी रात में हो up down. Okay, last part of the choreography. So we have just done up down and our right leg has gone back. So now from here our hands will go 1, 2. Then your right will go forward 1, then left 2. Then they will go out. Okay. Then they will turn and go out again, and then they will do 1, 2. So on the lyrics, this will go तेरी नजरों ने कुछ ऐसा जादू किया. So the legs with this part will be, your left leg is forward, so it will go left in, left out. So you will just move the left leg. You go 1, 2. Then when you do 1, 2, 3, the left leg will move back and the right leg will go up. Okay, so you will move with this step. So you will go 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, from here, when you do this, your right leg will go back and you will change it to the left leg. Your left leg will go up. So you will go 1, 2. And then when you do this, your left leg will hit. So you go 1, 2. So from starting, it will be हो तेरी नजरों ने कुछ ऐसा जादू किया. So after this, there are just a few steps there. So your hands will go right, hit, left, hit, out, in, 1, 2, 3, and then you can just do anything. So with the legs, so this will go right, hit, left, hit. So you will make a circle with right, hit with the right, circle with left, hit with the left. Then you will take a turn of your right shoulder. So you will just turn, 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 turn. Then there will be 3 beats, tuck, tuck, tuck. So you will go 1, 2, 3, and then you can just do whatever. I did this in the video, I think, and you can just take another turn or sit down or whatever you want. So that's the end of the choreo. On the lyrics, this will be लुट गए हम तो पहली मुलाकात 1, 2, 3 उठी. So that is the choreography. I will now do the whole choreography once, step by step, really slowly, and then you can practice with the song. And I hope you enjoy dancing to it because I really like this choreography of mine. Okay, so let's go over it once more, the whole choreography. So we will start with walking. So we'll go 1, 2, 3. Walk, walk, walk. 1, 2. We will go out, in, 1, 2, out, 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 turn, right, left, up, down, out, in, 1, 2, left, turn, right, right, left, left, out, in, back, front, turn over right. From here, we will go right, left, out, hit. Okay, from here you will go left, right, hit, hit, then left, right, right, hit, left, out, circle, up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, from here your hands will go 1 circle, out, in, 1, 2, point, turn, 1, 2, 3, and up, down. 1, 2, back, 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 back. 1, 2, right, right, left, left, turn, turn. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, so let's try it on the lyrics once and then we'll be done. I'll try to sing it at the pace of the song because it's much faster than what we've been practicing. So we need to practice, practice, practice. So you go 5, 6, 7, go. Na 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 na. 1, 2. Na 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 na. Hit. This is the pace, I think. Either I'm going too fast, but I think this is close to the pace. So after this we will go 5, 6, 7, go. मैंने जब देखा था तुझको रात भी वो याद है मुझको तारे गिनते गिनते सो गया. Hit. From here you will go. दिल मेरा धड़का था कस के कुछ कहा था तुमने हंस के मैं उसी पर तेरा हो गया. Turn, hit, hit. So from the back, 5, 6, 7, go. आसमानों पे जो खुदा है उससे मेरी यही दुआ है जाने हर रोज मैं देखूं. Turn, turn. 1, 2, आँख उठी मोहब्बत ने अंगड़ाई. 1, 2, 3, 4 सौदा हुआ चांदनी रात. Hit, up, down. From here 5, 6, 7, go. नजरों ने कुछ ऐसा जादू किया लुट गए हम तो पहली मुलाकात. 1, 2, 3 and you're done. And I'm done. That's all. I think you can clearly see I have not done this choreography in a very long time because I'm so tired. But it's a really fun song to dance on, and I think once you practice the steps and you practice them at like faster and faster speeds, it will just become muscle memory and then you'll just be able to flow through the whole song. And yeah, I think the song being really fun really helps because it's a song that you want to dance on. And yeah, I hope you had fun learning. I hope you have fun dancing to it. And thank you for watching the tutorial. I will try and make a lot more tutorials. I've been getting a lot of requests for Pankhat as well, so I'll probably make that one next. And yeah, this is really fun. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.